What's up, folks? This is AuctionUp here. Got a rainy Saturday out there, but we got to find something to do. So I'm going to type in a zip code I know that's nearby, and we're going to see what's going on. We're going to pick an auction. We're going to go. Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one right there. We're going to look at these photos real quick, see what they got. Looks like a good one. All right, folks, I'll see you at the auction in a few. Hey, what's up, folks? Weather's horrible. So, how you doing? Weather's horrible, but I'm gonna go check it out anyway. See what kind of treasures there are here today. So I'll let you know. I'm gonna get registered. Take a look. I've done good. I've done pretty good in the rain before, but it is a miserable day. All right, so we're here. So right now I'm just looking around for treasures. Let's see what we got here. It's a big turnout for a rainy day, but that could be good. Well, it's good for the estate sellers at least. Oh boy. Let's see. Actually, there's some pretty good vintage items at this one, so I'll be buying more than I meant to. What's up, man? Jesus. This auction's a lot bigger than I thought, folks. Wow. A lot bigger.
But that thing's cool. Look, he's filming it.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Never seen this many, huh?
No. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah.
There's money to be made. Maybe.
I like the coaster.
Well, if you can't find it,
it ain't available.
here, it ain't there. Because this was amazing. You just walked in up there and she had stuff stacked on top of it. The cupboards, and then you open the doors and stuff all but falling out.
Wow. A lot of chickens. Wow. Alright. Guess I'm getting wet today. Oops, sorry.
No, don't get out of your way.
Wow, there's a lot.
We're laughing.
The different colors there I haven't seen before.
Oh, I like the swirly ones. I've not seen too many of them.
I don't think I've ever seen any of this color green. Usually they're this color.
Yeah, that's true.
But not.
That's true.
And then to have them all the way down to,
Oh, wait.
really nice.
Wait, there was a smaller one. Yeah, here.
If you're in a hard to see area, just make sure you get your hand up. We'll get your bid in, and we're going to get rolling. We're going to get started here. All right, on the nice brown and white jug, on the nice brown and white jug here, Ben has a bit of a baton, bigger down, bit of a bang. Nice one, have it down here, a bit of a baton, bigger down, bit of a 15, a bit of a 25, hit 10 on them, a bit of a 10, 10, a bit of a 10, 15, a bit of a 15, a bit of a 15, I don't know, a bit of a 15, 10, now 15, hit 15, a bit of a hot song, a bit of a 15, a bit of a 9, a bit of a 15, a bit of a 10, a bit of a 10, $5 the contract line, now 6, now 7, now $8, now 9, now 10, now $11, now 12, now 13, 13, 13.
5, 12 deer, 13, and 12 deer, 13, $12. He wants both of them. 252, 252.
Down the road, Bub's Dairy.
Bub's Dairy right there in the bell box. 252, 252. On the Bub's Dairy there. On that milk box right there. We'll give it 25 and go that line go. 25, 15, 10, 5. $5 on the book. 5, 5, 5, now 6, 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, now 10, 10. 5, 9 deer, 10 of 9 deer, 10 of 9 deer, 10. $9, 120, 120. Choice, make a space. Choice off the top of that table. We're going to do choice from here, top of the table. Top of the table. From this cane to there. Choice off the top of the table. You give me $5 to pick off the top of the table. $5 a pick. 5, 5, 5, $2. 2, now 3. Add $2 due 3, $2 due 3, $2 due 3, $2 due 3. $2, 246. One time. She takes dry goods. And they're not dry, but they're dry goods. Hey, on that lot there again, who give me $2 to pick off the tabletop? $2 a pick. $2 a pick. How about $1? I have $1 deer, 2. I have $1 deer, $2 deer, $2 deer, $2 deer, 2. $1, 249.
I'll take this right here.
One time, duck print. Hey, on that lot there again, who give me $1 to pick off that tabletop? $1 to pick, $1 to pick, $1 to pick. How about a half $1? Half, 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 half. Anybody would pick all that tabletop for a half $1? All right, everything on that tabletop, the blankets, the seashells, all that. You give me a half $1 in the lot. Half $1 in the lot. I have a half deer dollar. I have a half deer dollar, a half deer dollar, a half deer dollar. Half $1.99.
Thanks for coming, 99.
All right, shadow box right there. Gilding on it, very nice shadow box right there. You give me 25 and go that light go. 25, 15, 10, 5. $5 on that shadow box. You want to go 5, 5, 5, $2. $2 on the dollar now, 2. I have $1 deer, $2 deer, $2 deer, $2 deer, 2. $1, 243. 243. Yep, we're good. You get that everything on those tabletops right there. All right, right there. Let's sell the two door frames right there. Nice wooden door frame. You give me $2 on that lot. You want to go do needed $2. $1 on the wooden door frames. You want to go $1. How about a half? Anybody need a half? And you got to put that planter right along with it. That green planter now. You give me a half $1 in a planter box. I have a half deer dollar. I have a half deer dollar, half deer dollar, half deer dollar. Half $1, 226. All right.
That's a roller. I want that.
Wallpaper, put that up.
That's an old school wallpaper roller. I'm getting this.
To make wallpaper right there, there's a true antique. They give me $20 on that lot. 20, 10, 5. $5 on that lot. You want to go 5, 5, 5, $2.
Here.
2 now, 3. I have $2 deer, 3, $2 deer, 3, $2 deer, 3, $2 deer, 3. $2, 249.
Chalkboard right here on the antique chalkboard. I'm gonna go $50 on. I'm gonna put on here. I'm gonna go 50. I'm gonna go 25. I'm gonna go 5, 10. I'm gonna go 10, 15. I'm gonna go 20 on. I'm gonna go 25. Now 25 left is out. I'm gonna go 20 here. Down 25. Now 25. I'm gonna go 5 how to buy 30. I'm gonna go 30 on. I'm gonna go 30. I got 25. I'm gonna go 30 down. I'm gonna down 25. I'm gonna go pass off. 25. I'm gonna go 30 down. I'm gonna down 30. 30. 30. I'm gonna go 30 on. I'm gonna go 30. I'm gonna go 25. I'm gonna go 30 down. So I'm gonna something $25 here. But I'm on buyer 166. 25. 166 a buyer. All the milk bottle coons bottles. I'm gonna pay for. I'm gonna get them all. I'm gonna go put on here. Now I'm gonna go 25. I'm gonna get 10. I'm gonna get 10. I'm gonna 10 by 5, 7 and a half. Hit 5, 7 and a half. I'm gonna get 10. I'm gonna get 10. I'm gonna get 10. I'm gonna get 12 hand. 12 hand. I'm gonna get 12. 15. I'm gonna get 15. I'm gonna get 15. 17. 15. Now 17. 15. I'm gonna get 17 and a half. 17 and a half. I'm gonna get 15. I'm gonna get 17. 15. Let's go. It's 17. 20. I'm gonna get 20. Hold on. I'm gonna get 20. It's 17. 50 down 20. Hold on. I'm gonna get 20. 25. I'm gonna get 29. I'm gonna down 20. I'm gonna get 20. I'm gonna get 17. 20. 22 and a half. No friends at auction. Get in there. I'm gonna get 22 and a half. The 20 50 now 5 on them. I'm gonna get 25. Why not? I'm gonna get 25. Hit 5 here. I'm gonna get 5. I'm gonna get 25. 25. I'm gonna get 25. I'm gonna get 25. 27 and a half. New blood. I'm gonna get 27 and a half. You sure? 25. I'm gonna get 27. I'm gonna down. I'm gonna get down. High prayer. I'm gonna get 25. I'm gonna get 27. The T. So $25 for my buyer number 150. 25. 150 to buyer. Mr. Peanut Tray Set. New York World's Fair. 1939. You got a full set. Randy said they're hard to find.
Alright, I did really well today. I got stuff. in the back of the car. A lot of stuff on the ground. So I'm going to give a quick run through on the kind of things I purchased. This is like an old 3D picture. Bought it for like $1. Guaranteed easy $20 on this one. People love ducks. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera probably. These old plates here, they are, this plate, they'll sell for $20, $25 easy, believe it or not. These old vintage wicker plates, old bottles, paid like $1. I did pay $2 for those. Those go about $30. Crazy old toilet caught my eye. That was a really good buy. It's old radio. I don't know, that probably about 25. But got a vintage calculator. Believe it or not, vintage calculators sell very well. They're very collectible. You would think that it's trash, but they are not. There's an old antique print. Let me get it right. Old antique wallpaper roller. That'll probably get listed for like 40 or 50. I paid $1 for that. There's all kinds of stuff in the trunk. Let me run around to the side of the car real quick. All right, for the box of these old light bulb inserts, I have no idea what they're worth, but I guarantee you I'm going to be happy I brought that. I have no doubt in my mind. Bought this old, what these are, it's a vintage or early flush stuffed thing. It's kind of funny looking, but they always sell well. I list that for at least 40. Paid like $4, maybe $3, but I'm listed that for a minimum of 40. Bought a bunch of old vintage bottles. Believe it or not, they sell well. Very well at times, especially this one here. It's an old water bottle, so that gives you an idea how old that is. Got some old toys in here, vintage toys that I brought just because sometimes I just like to gamble, and this chicken really caught my eye, so I brought it. We'll see what happens. All right, inside the car very quickly. Here I have some more old vintage bottles. Particularly, I brought this one because of the Bears medicine bottle, and there's a multiple. I paid 17 or 20. I have no worries of tripling my money on this one, on these old bottles. No worries at all. Underneath of it, got some old toys. Toys always sells. Toys always sell. I also have old Bibles in there. They're hidden underneath these bottles. Can't really see them, so you'll see them later or whatever. But there's an old Bible and all, 1861. I did really well today. I estimate I spent probably about $60, maybe 70, probably 60 profit from today. A minimum bring, at least minimum 500. If I don't make 500, I'll be mad. But it was a really good day, and surprisingly worked out well. All right, guys. Well, I'm wrapping up for AuctionUp. I did very well today. I spent about, I don't know, $70. Made at least 500. It's a good day. Rather do this than work overtime any day. I'm about to go sign out my number, which was 249. It was a lucky number today. Also made a contact here with an auctioneer, so there's going to be more videos coming. If you have any questions, anything, please subscribe and like this video.